Many investors are excited about Applied Digital stock because of the rising effectiveness of AI and the hundreds of billions of dollars that hyperscalers are spending to build out these data centers optimized for artificial intelligence. So let's take a look at the recent developments at Applied Digital, what's going on, and why everyone is talking about this growth company. So this company is at the epicenter of the growth happening inside this data center segment. And just in the recent quarter, they expanded their long-term agreements with CoreWeave, another hyper-growth company. Previously, they had 250 megawatts under contract at their Ellendale, North Dakota campus. That agreement represents approximately $7 billion in contracted revenue over the next 15 years. And some of these numbers with these contracts are reaching astronomical scale. Company like Applied Digital signing these kinds of deals is great news for the company itself. So CoreWeave has since exercised its option, and their leases now cover the full 400 megawatt of capacity currently under construction, increasing the total contract value to approximately $11 billion. So initially, they signed that contract for $7 billion over 15 years, and CoreWeave had the option to expand that to $11 billion, and they did indeed exercise that option to expand to $11 billion as end market demand for this computing power continues to increase. We've seen large deals being signed by OpenAI looking for more computing capacity to fulfill the growth in its technology. It's got over 700 million weekly active users, and people are engaging with ChatGPT more frequently, and the company wants to invest to develop even better large language models that will create even more engagement, and that positive virtuous cycle the industry feels is just now getting started. So in addition to these leases, CoreWeave has engaged them to perform the tenant fit out for the first 100 megawatts of the 400 megawatt campus. So as a reminder, the Polaris Forge campus they were talking about above with 400 megawatts of capacity has the potential to expand beyond 1 gigawatt starting in 2028 to 2030 when new transmission capabilities are expected to come online. So already the 400 megawatts of capacity is spoken for by CoreWeave, and if the company should expand to 1 gigawatt starting in 2028, it's reasonable to assume that will get quickly purchased as demand for this capability continues increasing. Click the link below to watch the full video.